there are some of these findings that we want to share with you. Number one, all the Gen Y that we have met so far are very technologically savvy, number one. Number two, they're extremely well networked. They go around, they know where to get the information. You don't have to tell them what to do, just give them the task, the assigned task, they will get the result, they will get the job done. Number three, they're independent thinkers, they're very good critical thinkers. When you've given them responsibility, they will be able to establish and get the job done. So you need to empower them, use space setting approach, coach them, guide them, get them to do things that you that you expect from them. Fourth, they love variety in the environment. What it means is that they want a lot of challenges, they want different tasks. And fifth, they expect fast results and they want immediate feedback. In other words, don't wait towards the end of the year or middle of the year to give them feedback. But if you see something positive, recognize, give them the contribution, give them the recognition and feedback instantaneously. They expect that from the leaders. And lastly, they want to be treated as individual and coached as such. So in other words, when we talk to this Gen Y, they want leaders who are able to do that. So question is, are you doing it right now in your organization? And interestingly, when I talk to a lot of the Gen Y in our research together with our other collaborators, we call them Generation Why Not. Now, why do we call that? Why do we call it Generation Why Not? Because managers today have to be comfortable with this question. Why? They are going to ask you this question. Why? Be prepared to explain your decision. Keep that in mind. And I used to have leaders tell me, why do they ask that? I'm the boss. They just have to do it. It doesn't work anymore. You need to be able to understand. So that's why they're the why not generation. So don't use the word I'm the boss, you just do it, get it done. That kind of style leadership will not go down well. So as a manager, my advice to you as a leader, to take some time to explain yourself and the decision that you make, to be able to give the instruction. When you give instruction, be prepared to answer the question why. They are not necessarily challenging you, but they want to know the rationale behind it. So don't get offended. Don't feel that they are questioning your authority. They simply want to know the decision, the background, because why do you need to do that? Why do we need to accomplish the certain task? Why do I need to do certain thing? So spend the time, listen to them, engage them, share with them. Another thing that we have found in our years of working with Gen Y is that they want positive reinforcement. Now, what do I mean by that? If you remember, we talked about the managerial style of leadership. One of the 6 styles is coaching style. So you need to use coaching style more effectively. What it does mean that as a manager, you should give them recognition, give positive feedback, catch them doing something right. Not only when they do something wrong, when they do something right, instantaneously recognize them among their peers. Of course, when they do something wrong, you need to certainly point out to them. Don't belittle them. Coach them, guide them, inspire them why they need to improve. How can they improve? What they need to do differently. It may take a lot of hard work as a manager. I know that, and I've been through it. I managed a lot of Gen Y in my career. The question is, you can do it. You need to invest the effort, and the results, the reward is phenomenal. Because they will believe in you. When they believe in you, they will sweat, they will do everything, they will sweat for you, they will do everything possible for you to get the thing, and they are engaged. As I said, they will say the positive thing, they will stay with the organization, and they will strive for excellence, and they will impart the discretionary effort.